May has the cooldowns. I have sound here.
Oh no, Toilet Man got our support. He's gonna give me.
We put one. We put one.
No!
How we looking, dudes? This is good or?
I'm
killing everyone.
Jeffrey, guard me.
Looking good.
Winnable, 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 winnable.
Nice. Let's go.
Jeffrey, Tim said you actually have a soft aimbot today. How do you plead?
Guilty.
Wow.
Chat snitched.
If Tim said it, it must be true.
Oh, nice shot, Smile.
Oh my god, my mic was muted the whole time!
The whole fucking game, dude, we can hear you.
Fuck you. Eat that shit. Just gonna teleport. Yeah, that's how it's done.
Why am I alive? Oh. Holy shit, chat room. We are fucking dialed in right now, dog.
No, I missed all my shit!
I got you. Good aim for it.
Heal boost everyone.
Anti-tracer half.
Makilo. What? God, we're so good at this.
We're fucking nuts.
Oh, wow. Silver damage.
Wow, dude. I'm impressed.
Zen's low.
Okay! Got him. Oh, they weren't even ready for it.
What the fuck? Oh my god, I'm sorry.
It's been good.
Whoa.
What the? Carpe, you don't carry. Daddy carries.
On the chat, the information. Because the ones down there right now are outdated, I'm pretty sure. So that's how you count a tracer.
I heard a bash on I pressed Q. So, I don't know where you were, but I...
Oh, the Mercy's so injured, my sir. Don't you ult? No! Oh my god!
Mercy one.
For this area, I have to dive. I can't kind of do this. Discord Soldier. Discord Diva. Discord Lucio, he's in the middle.
Give away.
Monkey's back on it.
Nice.